Welcome back to my channel, and yes, today I'm coming at you guys with a really cool, exciting video, and I cannot wait to get to it. So I am not gonna start this video off by singing like some of my other videos because I am just way too curious to see what's in this package. Oh, look at the bling, guys. Come on now. Really, it's from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Yes. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you saw that I posted it on my stories that I received the package and that I was going to do an unboxing video. Well, this is that video, and I just have to make it really quick because I really want to find out what's in this golden bag. Yes, people. I can't wait. But yeah. If this is the first time that you're tuning into my channel, you are in the right spot because there's never a boring moment here on my YouTube channel. So you want to make sure you grab some snacks, grab a drink, sit back, relax, chill, and just watch the show. Enjoy. Okay, guys. So first of all, I have to say this video is completely not sponsored. This is all me and my craziness. And yes, I did get that package complimentary from e.l.f. Cosmetics. But other than that, this is all my own opinion. So I just wanted to make that clear. You know, e.l.f. has actually sent me stuff before in the past. And they actually, from like really in the beginning when I first started social media, they started sending me stuff. And I just totally love that because I used them even before that time. So I can't wait to see what's in this. Let's get to the package. So it says e.l.f. and on the back it has another sticker, and the sticker says Modern Metals hashtag wants to watch. Thoughtfully co-developed with the winners of Beautyscape, Modern Metals was influenced by the metallic textures and edgy street styles seen throughout New Orleans. Okay, so let's open it up. This is so cool. I love presents. I love packages. Yes. Notice how I tried to match the background with the gold packaging? It didn't work. It's all messed up. Don't even pay attention to it. Why am I even mentioning it? Okay, back to the package. What? Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna grab something and then we'll go from there. Oh yes. Oh gorgeousness. Oh my gosh. Okay, Modern Metals. It's an eyeshadow palette, guys. Okay, I have to open it up. Look at the packaging though. How gorge. Okay. Oh, I love it already. I love it. I love it. I can already tell which shade I am going to adore. Let me try to open it. My nails are so long. It's like I can't do anything with these nails. Okay. Oh, wow. How gorgeous is this, guys? How gorgeous. This darkish bluish gorgeousness and this purplish, ooh-wee. Oh, love, love, love. I'm going to have to like... Oh, look at that, guys. I'm just gonna swatch it on my skin so I can show you guys. I'm just gonna swatch a couple of the colors, not all of them because we'll be here all of next year because I'm a slowpoke. Okay, so that is the blue, and I'm also gonna swatch this gorgeous purple because those were the ones that just jumped out to me immediately. These are the shades on my fingers. Yay, pretty fingers. Okay, but let me show you guys just 3 of the shades. I hope you guys can see it because I put it on a part of my arm that's not really easy to maneuver. But see, there's that gorgeous green, greenish, metallic-ish gorgeousness. There is my other favorite, which is kind of similar to what I'm wearing right now, only a little darker, which is awesome. And my all-time favorite in this palette is this gorgeous blue. Oh, yes, Elf. Yes. Yes. Next, let's see. There's more stuff in there, guys. Let me see. Oh. Shut the door. Look at this gorgeousness. It's a highlighter palette, guys. Okay, let me open it up so that the glare is not on the camera. Oh, these nails are like incredible. I really have to like get rid of them. I can't do anything. I always like, I love beautiful nails and long nails and all that, but it's like really like, it's like wearing high heels. It looks really, really nice and really good, but then the moment you have to do something, it just like is in the way. So let me...
Okay, I can't open this on this side. Let me try the other side. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I got it. I thought I got it. I got it.
Oh, I needed one of these because the highlighter that I'm using is actually not doing anything for me. Modern Metals Elf. Oh gosh, guys, this is gorgeous. Look, guys. This is a beautiful highlighter palette, and you know I'm gonna be using this. There's a couple of more things. Oh, this packaging is phenomenal, by the way. Wow. Reminds me of the holidays somehow. But let's see. This is a nude matte lipstick. You know what? I'm going to swatch it. And this color here, it's like an orangey color. How perfect is this for fall? Uh-huh. Let's see. This whole palette is perfect for fall, though. It's gorgeous. Oh, my gosh. I am going to have to create a whole look. This is fabulous. Let's see. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's not really red. It's more like an orange brownish color. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Yes, Elf. Elf, this is awesome. And this is going to be so pretty with that blue. I can't wait. There is one more thing. Oh, and this is a lip gloss, and I don't even want to look at it because it is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, it's all gold and everything. Let me open it. Oh my gosh, how super gorgeous glammy is this? You could easily put it over another lipstick. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks on my skin. Let me just show you. I'm not sure if you can see it because it's very light, but it's kind of blingy. It's above here, like right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but you know what? I think I'm going to have to put it on. Yes. So, I'll be back. I'll be back. Yes, I can already. Oh, wow. Okay, let me keep going. And then, of course, you have to do a couple of poses. Well, guys, that was the unboxing. Thank you so much, Elf Cosmetics. This is like amazing stuff. I love it. I love all the colors, and I am absolutely going to make a video demoing everything put all together. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Guys, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you can hear me sing and all that other good stuff. Also, check out my blog, BFFwithKimberlyCaines.com, and all that other good stuff too. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.